I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is on the result, guys, I get from my sit down low-key bun. And if you wanna know how I did this hairstyle, keep watching. Hello beautiful people. So today I'm back with another protective hairstyle. Today is an easy one, just slick down ponytail. Yeah, I think this hairstyle is really nice. You can leave it for 1 week, like for low manipulation. And I was just pumped for you guys to share with you to slick down my hair. As you can see, it's really messy, and I just needed like one product, just hairstyle, the one with black castor oil and flaxseed. This is the best, guys. I'm just using this in the water. As you can see, I'm working by sections because it makes it easy for me. With thick hair, you have thick hair and you want to really make that slick ponytail, you really need to work with sections. And as I'm showing here, you start by the bottom, you just pour some water and then use the hairstyle and then just brush your hair. And yeah, you just keep doing this section by section until you get to the top, and working your way through with really small section. I recommend this for faucet type hair like mine, very thick and kind of dry hair. So you want to make sure you really work in my section. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right to this video. You guys enjoy. By the front, you guys, as you can see, I'm combing my hair from the bottom to the top, and I'm making sure that I'm adding water first and then hairstyle gel, and then I'm already applying a big amount of it. So I'm pretty heavy-handed when it comes to product because I want my hair to be moisturized, but also I want to make sure this hairstyle works well. So yeah, make sure you're really detangling at the same time. Just really work your way through with your fingers. It's gonna make it easier to retain moisture and also to slick it down, because that's how we're working on it. And then I'm using my brush, soft brush, to really slick down my hair. As you can see, this works very well. It's slicking down my hair very nicely. So yeah, so this technique really helped me to rework my hair. As you can see the difference from the hair that is done and the hair that is not done. It's really a huge difference, and I think this technique is dope because it's really working for me.